What's up, Linjivo family? Ready to level up your English? Let's get in the lesson. Mwaramutse muryango mugari wa Linjivo, muriteguye kuzamura urwego rwanyu rw'icyongereza. Twinjire mu isomo. Salut la famille Linjivo. Prêt à passer votre anglais au niveau supérieur? Entrons dans le vif du sujet. Today we are having another lesson. So it is an important lesson about daily activities. Uyu munsi dufite isomo ryiza rivuga ibikorwa umuntu ahora akora buri munsi, kubyuka buri munsi, gukanguka, kujya koga, gufata ifunguro rya mu gitondo. Ntekereza ko ibyo ari byo bikorwa umuntu akora bya buri munsi. Ni amagambo asanzwe y'icyongereza akoreshwa, ni amagambo wamenya mu buryo bworoshye, ni amagambo wakoresha mu kiganiro mu buryo bworoshye, ni amagambo waganira n'umuntu mu buryo bworoshye. Then ndashaka ngo munkurikire rero, munkurikire hanyuma tugendane, and then you will repeat after me after this lesson. Donc aujourd'hui nous allons voir une autre leçon. Donc c'est une leçon très cruciale, c'est une leçon très importante, une leçon très saillante. Donc c'est une leçon à rapport avec les activités quotidiennes. Donc ce sont des activités qu'on fait pour tous les jours. And then I suppose that these are the verbs that you need to use every day in your everyday life. N'amagambo asanzwe dukoresha mu buzima bwa buri munsi. And then the reason why I just want you to follow me and then try to make this conversation in real life. Hanyuma aya magambo ndetse n'ikiganiro mujye kwisha mu buzima busanzwe. Donc ce sont des mots très importants. Ce sont des mots qu'on utilise toujours. Donc, ce sont des mots qu'on utilise bien, donc qu'on fait, qu'on parle quand on est en train de parler l'anglais. Donc, ce sont des mots qu'on utilise, tous les jours. Ce sont des mots, donc ce sont des mots qui s'utilisent beaucoup de fois. And then we have the first verb that is about to wake up. To wake up. What does it mean to wake up? Wake up means to stop sleeping, then nukukanguka, cyangwa kubyuka. We have the first example. I wake up at 6 a.m. Nkanguka saa 12 za mu gitondo. Français on dit je me réveille à 6 heures. Je me réveille à 6 heures du matin. And then she wakes up early. She wakes up early. Akanguka kare. Bien, elle se réveille tôt. Et le jambo early bisobanura kare. Bien, donc le mot early pour ceux qui utilisent le français. Donc, quand on dit le mot early en anglais, en français, donc son équivalent c'est tôt. Quand on dit she wakes up early en français, on dit elle se réveille tôt. Cyangwa akanguka kare. Then we have the second one is brush teeth. Brush teeth is to clean teeth, koza amenyo. Then when we say I brush my teeth every morning, noza amenyo buri gitondo. Bien, je me brosse les dents chaque matin. Children brush their teeth before school. Abana boza amenyo mbere yo kujya ku ishuri. Bien, les enfants se brossent les dents avant l'école. Then we have the third verb. Verb number 3 is take a shower. Take a shower. Then for this verb, take a shower, you can just use many more, not even this one. Take a shower, you can say have a shower, you can say shower, and so on. Take a shower or have a shower, ou bien shower. Dushobora gukoresha, ntabwo dukoresha ijambo ryonyine to take a shower cyangwa koga. Dushobora gukoresha to shower, koga. Like when you say I shower every morning, noga buri gitondo. I take shower every morning, like this example here that was given. He takes a shower in the morning. Yoga mu gitondo. You can even say he has a shower every morning or he showers every morning. So these are the same. Ushobora take a shower, ushobora shower, ushobora have a shower. So that's the same. Yoga mu gitondo. Number 2. I take a shower before sleeping. I take a shower before sleeping. Noga mbere yo kuryama. Ou bien je prends une douche avant de dormir. Il takes a shower in the morning, yoga mu gitondo, ou bien il prend une douche le matin. I take a shower before sleeping, noga mbere yo kuryama, ou bien je prends une douche avant de dormir. And then we have the verb number 4. It is about eating breakfast. Eat breakfast or eat breakfast. Meaning is to eat morning food. To eat morning food. Ni ugufata ifunguro rya mu gitondo, icyo bisobanura eat breakfast. Eat breakfast ni ugufata ifunguro rya mu gitondo. And then let's see some examples. Reka turebe ingero hano. When we say we eat breakfast at home, we eat breakfast at home. We eat breakfast at home. Dufata ifunguro rya mu gitondo mu rugo, cyangwa turira ifunguro rya mu gitondo mu rugo. We eat breakfast at home. Dufata ifunguro rya mu gitondo mu rugo, cyangwa turira ifunguro rya mu gitondo mu rugo. En français, on dit nous prenons le petit déjeuner à la maison. Nous prenons le petit déjeuner à la maison. She eats breakfast at 7 a.m. Arya ifunguro rya mu gitondo saa moya za mu gitondo. Bien, elle prend le petit déjeuner à 7 heures. Elle prend le petit déjeuner à 7 heures. Then we have number 5, that go to school. Go to school meaning is to attend classes. Ni kujya ku ishuri cyangwa ku attending ama class. To attend, ku attending a class cyangwa kujya ku ishuri. When we say I go to school by bus, njya ku ishuri nteze bus. Bien, on dit je vais à l'école en bus. The children go to school every day. Abana bajya ku ishuri buri munsi. Ou bien les enfants vont à l'école chaque jour. Les enfants vont à l'école chaque jour. Then we have the verb number 6, that is go to bed. Go to bed or go to bed. Kuryama, to sleep. Then when saying I go to bed at 10 p.m., I go to bed at 10 p.m., njya kuryama saa yine za nijoro, bien je vais au lit à 22h. My brother goes to bed late. Musaza wanjye aryama atinze, ou bien mon frère se couche tard. And then these are the verbs that we usually do when we are just expressing daily activities. Aya niyo magambo cyangwa nizo nshinga dukoresha iyo turi kuvuga ibikorwa dukora buri munsi. Donc voici les mots qu'on utilise souvent quand on est en train de décrire des lieux, ou bien quand on est en train de parler des activités quotidiennes. And then as usual we have a short spoken practice here. Then we have a teacher and a student. Then our teacher says, it's just a question, is your city clean? Yes, it is very clean. Umujyi wawe urasukuye? Yego, urasukuye cyane. Oui, elle est très propre. The teacher says again, what time do you wake up? And then the student answers, I wake up at 6 a.m. Ubyuka saa ngapi? Cyangwa ubyuka saa ngapi? Ubyuka saa 12 za mu gitondo, cyangwa nkanguka saa 12 za mu gitondo. Bien, je me réveille à 6h du matin. Je me réveille à 6h du matin. And then these are the questions that I want you to do already. And then after, as we did it in the very last video, very last lesson, then these are the questions that I want you to do. And then you will write in the comments. And then you write as if you are speaking. And then I will come just to correct you, to make my comments. And then I will just also say if you did great or not, so that you can be corrected and then make your English very perfect. And then these are the questions here. Then when you say, what time do you wake up? Do you brush your teeth every morning? Do you take a shower in the morning or evening? What time do you go to school? Or what time do you go to bed? And then these are the questions. Then after these questions, I just want you to write your answers in the comments, and then I'll be there just to correct you. And don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe for the next video.